students, in the previous lecture we study about the set of numbers, set of natural number, set of whole number, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. Today we study about the decimal representation of rational numbers. Today we study about the decimal representation of rational numbers. For example, 7 upon 4. What is meant by decimal representation? When we divide the numerator by the denominator, then we get the answer. It is a decimal representation of rational number. For example, 7 upon 4. That is 7 divided by 4. Here 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 3 is a digit less than 4. Therefore, we take a decimal point in the quotient. That is 1 point. And take 0 on 3, we get 30. Then we divide the 30 by 4. 4 sevens are 28. 30 minus 28, we get 2. On the digit 2, take 0, we get 20. Then 4 5s are 20. That is, we get remainder 0. Therefore, 7 upon 4 is equal to 1.75. It is the decimal representation of rational number 7 upon 4. In this division, the process of division ends. When we get the remainder 0, the process of division ends and this process is called terminating process. This division is terminating one. This division is terminating division. Then we take this second example, 7 upon 6. The rational number 7 upon 6. That is 7 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 7 minus 6, we get 1. 1 is the digit less than 6. Therefore, similarly, in previous example, we take decimal point in the quotient 1, then point, take 0 on 1, we get 10. 6 ones are 6. We get 10 minus 6, 4. Also take 0 on 4, we get 40. 6 6s are 36. 40 minus 36, we get 4. In this process, the digit 4 comes again and again. We get in the remainder, the digit 4 comes again and again in the remainder. Therefore, here the process of division doesn't stop. This process is called non-terminating. But here the digit in 6 in the quotient comes again and again. Therefore, this 6 is called recurring digit. The process is called non-terminating recurring process. Look here in the about two examples. In the first example, process of division stops. When we get the remainder 0, the process of division stops. Then we call the terminating process. Therefore, the number is a rational number. 7 upon 4 is a rational number. Here in the second example, the process of division doesn't stop. We get the remainder 4 again and again. Therefore, we get the digit 6 in the quotient again and again. Therefore, 1.1666. 6 is the digit, comes again and again. Therefore, we write here 1.1666. It is written as 1.16, and on the 6 we take dot or bar. 1.16. The meaning of this dot or this bar is the digit 6 comes again and again. That is, it is a recurring digit. It is called non-terminating recurring process. These two processes are the rational numbers. These two numbers are the rational numbers. Then take the other examples. For example, minus 5 upon 3. We get minus 1.66. In this process, the digit 6 comes again and again. Here also 6 is a recurring digit. Therefore, we write this 1.6 bar. 22 upon 7. When we divide the 22 by 7, we get 3.142857 again and again. Here 142857. It is the group of digits. Group of digits comes again and again. Therefore, we write this as 3.142857. 1 from 1 to 7. This group of digits comes again and again. Therefore, this is the recurring digits. Also 23 upon 99. Here we get 0.23 again and again. We write this as 0.23. Here it is a recurring digit. But in some examples, in some process, there the process of division doesn't stop. Then we call the process non-terminating, non-recurring. The process is called non-terminating, non-recurring. These numbers are called irrational numbers. Here we write the decimal representation of rational numbers. The decimal representation of rational numbers is 7 upon 4 is equal to 1.75. Process of division stops. Therefore, this process is terminating 1, and this number is a rational number. In other examples, there the process of division doesn't stop. That is non-terminating, but digits or group of digits comes again and again in the quotient, in the fraction form. Therefore, these all numbers are non-terminating recurring digits. These are all also rational numbers. What about the irrational numbers? Irrational numbers, when the process of division doesn't stop and the group of numbers or any digit doesn't comes again and again, then these numbers are called non-terminating, non-recurring numbers, and that numbers are irrational numbers. That is the difference between rational and irrational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers in the form of m upon n, where n is not equal to 0. These are rational numbers. When the numbers are terminating decimals, then these numbers are also rational numbers. The numbers whose decimal form is non-terminating recurring, these are also rational numbers. and the numbers which are the perfect squares are also rational numbers. Then what about the irrational numbers? The numbers which are non-terminating, non-recurring are irrational numbers, and the numbers whose square roots or whose cube roots are doesn't know. For example, root 3, root 5, root 6 are the irrational numbers. Then write the rational numbers and irrational numbers with their definitions and their examples. Thank you.